Today we are going to show you how Morse code helped people and save their lives. So, stay tuned until the end of the story. Once upon a time there was a war happening somewhere in the world. There was very poor situation everywhere. It became a hell for normal people. Then army decided to evacuate their people. And they did so. They saved their people from war. But that is not it. Some people are still stuck there in between war somewhere, and it was not possible for them to evacuate themselves all on their own. They were hoping that someone will save them too. But nobody came. One man from them was thinking about how to ask for the help to their army, and he came to an idea of Morse code. He seeked for the machine and found one. And he sent the SOS code to the army. Then the next day the rescue team came to evacuate them. They successfully get rescued, and they were very happy.